Hello, I'm Kathleen Neff, the K-12 account executive for Schneider Electric in Southern California.
And I'm Mike O'Brien, Director of California Education for Schneider Electric.
Many of you may have heard about Schneider Electric or have seen us at the CASBO annual conference, but you may not be familiar with what we do. Mike, can you give everyone the elevator pitch on Schneider Electric?
Of course, despite our name, we are not an electric company. Schneider Electric is a global specialist in energy management. We help schools reduce their energy consumption through multiple integrated solutions. Whether it's Kathleen's division, focused on energy savings performance contracting projects, our building automation group responsible for installing smart structure energy management systems, or our Square D group focused on improving electrical switchgear components. Our primary goal is to help make energy safe, reliable, and efficient.
It's important to note that Schneider Electric has been engaged with CASBO for many years now, but we're very excited to say that we are recognized as a Premier Plus sponsor this year.
We became a Premier Plus sponsor because we believe smart energy schools are possible. What's more, the passing of Prop 39, the Clean Energy Jobs Act, has provided California districts with a funding opportunity to make necessary facility improvements and reduce their utility spend, and Schneider Electric is here to help.
Absolutely. We are partnering with school districts throughout the state to accomplish their facility goals and maximize their Prop 39 funding. It all starts with the district's vision. What goals does your district want to achieve? What does your vision look like? Updating technology in line with Common Core standards? Improving indoor air quality to reduce absenteeism? Adding staff back to the classroom?
Now, wait a minute. I thought we were talking about Prop 39. How could improved energy efficiency translate into hiring back teachers and other support staff?
Well, Mike, much like education, energy efficiency builds upon itself. Improvements are made, efficiency is achieved, and the energy savings accumulate, which can then be reinvested into additional energy savings projects or invested into other needs, such as deferred maintenance projects. Again, it's all about the district's vision and what they want to accomplish.
Oh, I see. It's a little like a continual reinvestment strategy. The more you save, the more you can reinvest back into your schools.
Exactly. The first step is to understand the district's vision, and the next step is to develop an energy strategy to get there. Proposition 39 offers a funding stream for the next 5 years. Your energy strategy should reflect this. What do you want to accomplish in the short term? And what do you want to accomplish years down the road? For example, the district may want to combine their Prop 39 money with future bond dollars or leverage their Prop 39 funding with private financing.
You know, I've found that many districts are primarily planning on lighting upgrades and other low-hanging fruit this first year. But what they really want to address is old heating and air conditioning equipment. I want the district to know it is possible to accomplish both. We advise the district to combine projects with a quick ROI, such as lighting and automation controls, with projects with a longer ROI, such as HVAC retrofits. These can be bundled projects, can help the district address real facility needs and meet the 1.05 SIR requirement of Prop 39.
Yes, Mike, that's a great point. For districts out there that are unsure how to do this and to get started, a great option is to hire an energy services company or an ESCO to help from the beginning to the end. An ESCO is responsible for the design, engineering, installation, construction management, training and support of staff, and measurement and verification of savings. In doing so, they will also complete the district's energy expenditure plan on their behalf, as well as apply for any and all available rebates and incentives.
Well, it sounds like an ESCO is a great fit for districts that don't have the time, the staff, or the expertise to develop and manage their own Prop 39 projects. With an ESCO, a district has one point of accountability. Additionally, an ESCO can guarantee energy savings that result from the project. If an ESCO says you'll receive $100,000 worth of savings, but in fact you only realize $75,000, they are contractually obligated to write you a check for $25,000.
Yes, Mike, this is true. It's a great way for a district to mitigate their risk of working with a company that doesn't perform as promised. This financial guarantee holds the ESCO accountable for their work.
So how does a school district go about selecting an ESCO to work with? Prop 39 does not allow sole sourcing. What's the best way for a district to choose the best partner?
That's a great question. To ensure you properly qualify and select an ESCO through a competitive process, I suggest releasing an RFQ, which stands for Request for Qualifications. This enables you to select a partner based on their qualifications, such as their history performing similar services, their financial stability, and their methodology of calculating energy savings. The good news is, many districts have actually already committed to this step, so there are great RFQ examples out there for districts to utilize.
I know this information will be particularly helpful to those districts who have not yet decided on a Prop 39 partner or an approach. You know, I have a brother-in-law who's in education, and if he were listening to this, I know he'd be saying, look, I'm way too busy to manage all these details. I have a district to run, teachers to manage, an LCFF and an LCAP to learn about. I just want a reliable company to take the Prop 39 off my plate.
I hear this all the time. It sounds like hiring an ESCO, like Schneider Electric, would really be a great fit for him. We can help his district manage a turnkey project by handling every step along the way. Or we could assist him with specific projects, like enhancing a data center with new energy-efficient equipment. It all depends on what a district needs and what approach they want to take.
So in closing, what advice do you have for a district out there that still have questions about this approach?
I recommend that districts first determine which goals they want to accomplish. This could be to address certain energy conservation measures, like installing a new building automation system, creating a sustainability master plan, or incorporating educational opportunities for their students. Once the district knows their vision, it's time to qualify and select a partner. As I mentioned before, a best practice is to release an RFQ to demonstrate a competitive selection. Once they select a partner, they will be well on their way to utilizing their Prop 39 dollars and improving their schools.
You know, that's great advice. Thanks, Kathleen. And thanks to all of you who tuned in. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions about Prop 39 and enabling your school's ultimate vision. Thanks for tuning in.